Yeah, all right, guys. Today we are taking this, putting them on sale. They just arrived. These are e-bikes, guys. E-bikes. You can buy this one. You can buy this one from us. You know, you can get it for 12,000 rand. It had e-bikes. Such a wonderful thing. It has got the batteries inside. You can charge it. You can have it does have something where you can put something there. It has got a speedometer there as well. It has got mirrors. You know, you can see there are mirrors there, and you can have someone seated at the back. You know, as you can see, it's such a wonderful thing to have, guys. For someone who doesn't have who doesn't want to be, getting tired on a bicycle, you can always have this, take it with you, go to the mall, it drives, it's an e-bike, right? Yeah, you can get this from us. We are selling the things, guys. We are selling the things for 12,000 rand. If you need to contact us, you can always contact us on 081 334 5509. We can always ship it, whether you are in, doesn't matter which country you are, we can ship to anywhere in the world, right? We're selling the things. You can buy it from us. You can buy it from us. It has got everything, as you can see there. Everything is there. It's such a wonderful thing to have. Such a very good thing to have, guys. Only for 12,000 rand. If you don't know how much is 12,000 rand in dollars, you can always convert it. It's 12,000 rand South African money, all right? You can always convert it. It has got, you can put someone here at the back. You can put someone there. You can drive. Such a wonderful thing to have, guys. And we've got this one also, the big one. You can always put something here at the back. It has got a storage. You can drive. See, I put an alarm. See, it has got an alarm. You can always drive. You can move this chair. This thing, you can actually move it up and down. You can move it move this. Hey. Yeah. Please switch off the alarm. Switch off the alarm. Yeah, so this one is making noise because of I locked it. Switch off the alarm, please. Yeah, so it has got an alarm. Yeah, thank you. It has got an alarm. You can see there, it's such a wonderful thing to have, right? And then you can see also it has got a speedometer there. You can drive. You can go anywhere you want. You understand? So this one, we're selling it for 15,000 rand. 15,000 rand. Such a wonderful thing. So if you guys want some, you can always talk to us, and we will be able to ship it for you guys. Hey, these people, they didn't put an alarm. Right. Where is the alarm for the thing is making noise? Yeah, but anyway, it's okay. All right. So I have to go upstairs and get a key. Yeah, so it's such a wonderful thing to have, guys. Such a wonderful thing to have. Such a beautiful machine. You can always drive on the road. You can go anywhere you want. All right, guys? So you let me know. If you need something, just comment down below with your offer price. We can be able to assist you. All right, guys? Thank you so much.